Why do you need to be prepared for an appraisal gap? Writing an offer that really stands out in this competitive seller's market is a challenge on its own. Factor in appraisal gaps and it's a whole new ballgame. Hi, my name is Angie Haag with Cornerstone Home Lending, and today I'm sharing how to be prepared to buy in a seller's market and the potential of appraisal gaps you're going to see. We're seeing a lot of our clients run into this issue. Sellers are taking the best offers while knowing the house may not appraise for the agreed sales price. That's a problem our buyers because we can only lend off of what the home currently appraises for. When this happens, the buyer and the seller have to agree on what the sales price is going to be going forward and who's going to pay for the difference. We call that an appraisal gap. Let's see an example. Say a home lists for $450,000, but it only appraises for $435,000. The remaining $15,000 of the home's listing price needs to be covered by either the buyer or the seller. If the seller is eager to move on, it might work out. But in this market, sellers have multiple buyers that they can turn to. This is where an appraisal gap coverage can come into play. Appraisal gap coverage is when the buyer agrees to cover any shortage between the offer price and the appraised value. It's written into the contract and often includes a specific number of how high they're willing to go. Its purpose is to show the seller they are serious about that home and they're willing to pay more if needed to. At the end of the day, the more prepared you are for this potential speed bump, the less stress there'll be throughout the process. My entire team is here to help you navigate through the seller's market and come up with solutions and strategies you'll need to help you buy your dream home. You can reach us at Haag Team at houseloan.com or call us at 405-241-5327. Thank you so much for watching this week's video. I'll see you next time. Bye.